Well, it's not that good of a morning. Look at this. You see that? See, that's the eave of the house on the stucco house. And this is what you get on a 20-year-old house. I mean, everything's in pretty good shape, but there's some things that need to be done. See how that fascia board is starting to pull away from the stucco a little bit. They put the fascia board on and they stuccoed up to the bottom of it. And then they have this nice little thing right there, because there's a slight eave and there's a slight little soffit area along the side of the house. See there? Like that. Well, they had to do something here at the end to cover that, so they did this. But look at what's happened over the years. Yeah, see how it's pulling away from the stucco? Look at that. That's a no-no. Winter's coming and I gotta get this fixed. See there, right in there, right there. Look how far that's pulled away, my word. And you know, when we bought this house a few years ago, we got a home inspection, because you have to do that. Was this on the list of the home inspection list? Of course it wasn't.